We have a baby, and we have brother's teddy bear. Go ahead. Go get it. Do you want teddy bear? Come on. Go get it. Come on, look. It's right here. You want teddy bear? Yeah. Go get him. You can do it. You're almost there. You're almost there. Keep going. You're so close. Come on. Did you get distracted? You really are like your brother. Okay. Look it. Look. Come and get him. Go get him. You're so close. Yay, you did it. Good job. You got teddy bear.